What's good, everybody? It's your boy KTG. We're gonna do the Minnesota SUPERCRUISE. This is the fourth one. I missed 1 through 3, so we're not missing number 4. And I gotta bring the heat. I gotta bring the content. So hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get right into it. Hey, these are the guys we're meeting up with. Awesome. Who we riding with? What we riding with? Let's see what everyone is working with. We got a 750.
Finally made it, bro.
Yeah, what's good? What's good? What's good? All right, we're here with the guys. Ready to go. Subscribe, mother effers. Let's go. Kawasaki Focus 650. The ZX6R. Look at the Gixxer 750. Let's go. Now we're on the way to the SUPERCRUISE. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Go, baby, baby. I'm excited. We got a nice little group with us today. We got a 600, we got a 1000, we got a 750, and a 650. We're probably going faster than we will be doing on the cruise. That rear end looks nice, kind of like a Nike swoosh. We're almost there. Whew, it's warm. All right, we just gonna hang out now, guys. What's good, Matt?
It was good, man. It was fun. This is my first time going fast on this thing.
Yeah? All right, we're gonna hang out for a little bit, and we'll be back once we start this ride. All right, it's time to go. Look at the little gathering we got here. Check out all the bikes. We got Batman here. Everybody's here. Look at all the bikes, guys. This is awesome. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, buddy. Wow, this is gonna be hectic. Finally moving. Listen to that sound. Just gotta pay attention. That's what you gotta do. Alright, there goes one of my buddies. Man, we're taking over the freeway. Oh, excuse me. It's awesome when we can do things like this. All come together, share a common ground. We're going like 90 something. This is not a cruise. It never is. Woo, that thing is loud. Alright, I think we're at that cruising speed now. Oh man, that's a real rider right there. Running red lights, you know, we gotta stay together. He biking. Get it. The sound from the exhaust is getting me sleepy, which is crazy. I should be wide awake and excited right now. We're now at that cruise pace. That's probably why we're at going 65. It's a nice calm ride. Pretty chill. I think a lot of people don't like these rides because there's so many people and it's just everything is going on. You really got to pay attention. We have bikes as far as you can see. Taylor's Falls, finally. I love this city. It's a small town vibe. And it smells like something fried. Some fried food. It just smells so good right now. Check out all the bikes though. All right, we're gonna go grab some gas real quick and then maybe get something to eat. You need some help? Okay, go ahead. All right, so we're done with the cruise. Now we're gonna go hit some twisties, and we'll see what happens after that. All right, this feels a lot better. We're gonna go at a faster pace, because these bikes weren't meant to go for cruises. That was a lot of bikes, though. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, this is a lot more fun. Doing what these sports bikes are meant to do. Let's go. You don't get as fatigued riding like this, because you're moving around a lot more. You're leaning and throwing the bike around. The Vulcan 650 is keeping up with us. Let's get it. Look at that, he's a legend right there. These are nice long sweeping turns. This is fun. This is what I like to do right here. What the frick was that? A bird? Just came at him? I think that's what I saw. I guess it's time to take a break, huh? How was it out there, buddy?
Oh, not bad. I couldn't keep up with you.
I know, yeah, and that's fine. You just keep at your own pace. We're always gonna wait for you.
Yeah, you guys are flying. Like, I looked and you guys are way. You look like ants up there. It's so far away. How fast were you guys going?
We're I don't know, triple digits for sure. That's the type of ride I like. I'm getting hangry. I need to eat some. Just had a quick break. Talked with some other riders over there. Now we're gonna go eat some pho, because I'm getting hangry. Hit that like button if you don't want me to get hangry.
Hey, go ahead and subscribe.
Hey! Love tap. Love tap. Get him.
Never do it the other way.
Bink. All right, we're here, about to have some pho.
You gonna be on a YouTube vlog now?
Yeah, y'all gonna be on there, yeah. Combination pho.
Combination bar.
Yep. All right, that's the end of the ride for us. We're gonna all go home now. Stay safe, stay clean.
Like the channel.